Okay, here we have the LED ring update. So when power is applied to the circuit, all three rings go through their startup sequence. This is daytime intensity, so approximately 70%. When you turn the lights on and go into nighttime mode, it's reduced to approximately 25%. So just switching between modes like that. So as soon as you turn on normal driving lights, the intensity drops because it's evening. Okay. If you turn on main beam and the intensity is at normal daytime mode, the rings still go full power, and at night time the same, they go to full power on main beam. So as soon as main beam is engaged, all the rings operate at full power, full intensity. Next up is the dimming for detecting the indicator input and taking that down to a safe level. Somewhere perhaps what I may intend to do is to dim this ring entirely, which is where the indicator would be. That would be main beam on the inside of the vehicle, that's the indicator with side light, and that's the driving light. So what I potentially will do is when the indicator is on, is to reduce the overall intensity to that of nighttime, and then to completely switch off this middle ring, so that the indicator is in no way impaired. So that's what I'm thinking about. I just need to get interrupts working, which are driving me balmy. That is the circuit. It's very simple. We've got MOSFETs over here handling switching of the supply. I've got a adjustable power supply here feeding approximately 9.5 volts into the LEDs, which is then being stepped down here to 5 volt to run the Arduino circuit, simply using switches here, which are going to be just for the test rig. Next up is going to be using opto isolators to handle 12 volt switching, and then I just need to figure out the interrupt coding within the circuit. The actual code right now looks a little bit like this. So there's a whole lot of setting up of interrupts, then running various setup routines, then we go through the startup routine, and then we get to the actual different stages of the execution. And what I'm currently working out is the interrupts, which are literally doing my brain in, but I'll get there.